Hi guys, for today's video let's unbox and review Jordan 1 Low Alternate Bred Toe. This shoe is a colorway of the classic retro basketball and lifestyle shoe that updates one of its original designs. It was originally released in 1985 and was worn by Michael Jordan with the Chicago Bulls. The shoe features a gem red leather perforated toe with contrasting black leather overlays on the toe cap, forefoot, and eyelets. The black leather also appears on the mid-panel under a white leather swoosh. Gem red leather appears on the collar and heel. Wings branding is on the back of the shoe and Jumpman is found on the tongue. This shoe released on March 19, 2023. Thank you guys for watching.